In this short video we will be looking at the USKIN Models LK101 hand tool set, covering painting and where we use this. The set comprises of a groundworker's builder's shovel, a pioneer's spade, a pickaxe, a mattock, a block layer's trowel and a pointing trowel. The first things to do once it's been cleaned up is to wash them in white spirit to remove any mould residue, ready for priming. These are then primed in self-etch primer and left to dry. The tools are painted using gunmetal, earth and a tarmac black. We will be using the earth to represent the wooden handles. Once the initial coat of wood paint had been applied, this was then overcoated with a lighter colour to bring out the highlights. Metalwork on the tools are now painted using gunmetal, tarmac mixed with a dark leather for a nice rusty toned finish. This will then be polished to bring out the highlights once this is dry. With the metal paint finish now dry, these were now buffed up with blue wiper roll to give a nicely polished used finish. By way of a contrast, some additional sets of tooling were also painted and left in an unfinished state to show the different two types. To complete the groundworker's shovel, this was then pad painted using a nylon sponge dipped in blue paint and dipped onto the handle of the shovel. This then gave the effect of chipped paint as through wear and tear. With the paintwork now dry on the tools, now is the time to give them a going over with weathering powders, brick, concrete and red earth. This was mixed using cracked rust and brick. This was then brushed on and wiped off on the ends of the shovels where it would naturally have worn away and the tools would have been kept clean. And finally, with the work now completed, the tools are stacked up ready to be loaded onto the Exhill Estate Railway permanent way coach. Thank you for watching, we appreciate that. Please like and subscribe to help us grow this channel.